Kailang election?
This election, I'm not running for any public office this coming
2025.
election. Yes. But I'm not running for this coming election. It's a first time in
2025.
18 years.
How about 2028?
In 18 years. Madam Chair, I'll just direct you to Director Wenz so that he can put on the record the payout, please.
Ni Secretary Rex Gatchalian, you were mayor then, Secretary Rex. Nung panahon mo as mayor ng Valenzuela, hindi naging selective ang DSWD sa panahon yon. Kung anong kailangan mong tulong sa iyong bayan, sa iyong syudad sa Valenzuela, what is due sa inyo, binibigay talaga. Walang, hindi katulad ngayon. August, Abril na ngayon, magmamakaawa yung Pilipino sa tulong na 3,000. AIX nga yan, di ba? Assistance in Crisis at Situation. Pera nyo ba yan? Kayo ma'am, Yusek, pera nyo ba yan? Secretary, Yusek, pera nyo yan?
Madam Chair, we don't treat it as our money. We know it's people's money. That's why we're...
Pinapatagal.
Mr. Chair, Madam Chair, if you can recall in the August...
Because of politics. Because of politics. Hindi naman ako kalaban ninyo ah. Huwag nyo damay yung mga mahirap.